Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Instagram account. We will just click here on settings, here in settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down here. We will just click here on apps, then we come to apps window here and this is window. We will go down here to looking for Instagram app here and this is window. We will click here on Instagram, then we come to this is window here, like you say, on next window. We will just click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK. And we will click here on storage. Then we come to a storage window. You will just click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data. And you will just turn off your phone and turn on it. And it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. Just follow, this is the way it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.